Hello my friends, today I am going to show you how to remove text on image. So currently I have posted upon Freaky Blinder. Freaky Blinders is super TV shows. If you didn't watch the Freaky Blinders, definitely watch it. By the way, in this image I need to remove this Netflix text. So to do that I have to increase size of the image. So to increase size, press on Control and press on keys, plus key and plus key for zoom in, minus key for zoom out. So I need to remove this text. After that, go to magic wand tool. In here click on magic wand tool, then click on text. After that press shift, then you will see little plus icon. So after that click on next text. After that click on next one. So keep doing it. While you do it, always press on shift button. Then I select my text, then I have to go to select, then there has modify. In modify click on expand. In here expand by 1, not to 1. So I think it should expand by 2. So when you click on expand, it will expand the selected area. So currently it's too much, so let's do it again. We can expand like 2. So if it's great. So after that go to edit, then click on fill. In fill select content area, contents at content area, and click this checkbox. Then mode is normal and opacity 100. Then press OK. Tada! Our text was gone, and it's a great way and super. Now we don't have text called Netflix. So if it zoom, there has little bit shine, but who's care. Then go to, I have another image. So this is Joker. So in here I need to remove John Phoenix. So to do that, increase it, and we have to firstly remove this John part. So click on J and press shift. After that click on O, then it's selecting images. After that go to select, then click on modify and click on expand 2. Then go to edit, fill, and press OK. Tada! The issue is now we have text like red. We have this little text, so we have to remove that too. Click on it and go to select. After that modify, expand by 2, edit, fill, OK. Tada! There's little bit rain, but who's care? when we minimize it, that little red dots will not show. So after that go to Phoenix and click first one, click shift and select all text, then select, modify, expand to edit, fill, OK, and deselect it. For deselect it, press Ctrl D and tada! So this is today's video. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in next one. Bye bye.